In a terrifying incident, a high-speed car with license plate number AS09K3644 lost control and crashed into a Dargah in the Charilam area of Bishalgarh. The crash caused significant damage and left 2 persons with serious injuries. The injured individual has been taken to the Bishalgarh hospital. According to preliminary reports, the vehicle bearing registration number AS09K3644 slammed into the religious structure at a high rate of speed. The impact caused substantial damage to the Dargah's premises as well as the car. The crash caused significant damage and left 2 persons with serious injuries. One individual, whose identity has not yet been officially released, sustained serious injuries in the crash. The injured person was rushed to Bishalgarh Hospital for immediate medical treatment.
Chini Dargah, Charilam. Apun bhai se le gেছে দুজন লোকই গাড়িটা ওখানে আর দুই ওখানে এটা দুজন আছে কি রকম একজন তো বাংলা ইঞ্জিন আরেকজন মোটামুটি আছে সাউন্ড আর বিশালগড় হসপিটালে গাড়ি উড়ে লিছে কষ্ট বেশি পালা না যা দেখলাম রক্তাক্ত পুরো শরীর তো খোরাং বাড়ি দরকার চইলাম.
Local authorities and police officials swiftly arrived at the scene and have launched an investigation to determine the exact cause of the incident. The incident has caused a stir in the local community. Further details are awaited as the investigation continues. Reported by from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.